Battle San Sebastiano. This thanks to the artist Veronese, who was commissioned to paint the walls, doors and ceilings with rich, vibrant colours. The church is also claimed to have been a perfect marriage of the arts with architecture, painting and sculpture before. Yet another to add to the list of must-see sites. The waterfront area of this area is called Sant'Ali, and this is where there's one of the few